What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and we are in my new house here in the garage, and today we're going to be starting on the E30. I have the hood open so that way every time I come in here I can lie to myself and say I'm doing stuff to it. But today we're actually going to do some stuff to it, and by that I mean we're going to take the battery out, which I believe is located back here somewhere. Right here. Let's get these old brake pads out. So we're going to remove the battery, and we're gonna go to Costco, happiest place on earth, and we're gonna grab a new battery for the E30. So let's go ahead and do that right quick. What's up, everybody? We're back here. We got my boy Sean.
What up?
With the H. he's gonna help me fucking start this E30. What we got here is we got some fluid plumpies. No, we got a new battery at freaking Costco sitting over there, and some spark plugs and some starter fluid. We're gonna force this bitch to turn on. So we'll see how it goes from there, but it hasn't been started in 6 years, so.
Show them the little horsepower stains.
Which horsepower things? Oh yeah.
Horsepower stains.
Yeah, so that was a rough, the car really had to work hard getting towed here, so she leaked on the floor.
She's just sweating horsepower, baby.
Yeah. About to be fucking dissected taking that thing out, but we'll fucking get it going here. Spark plugs didn't look too bad. I'll show them to you once we take them out. So just pulled out the second spark plug, and I think I found the issue. I don't think spark plugs are supposed to look like this. Just for comparison. Yep, that'll do it. Hopefully it just shut off real quick after that happened, and maybe the motor's savable.
Yeah. So what we could do with this basically is we can pull the head off, take a look at the valves. If we're lucky, it's just, you know, a couple of bent valves. If we're unlucky, it could be the piston could be broken, the rod could be broken, the inside of the cylinder walls could be all scratched up. We gotta really take it apart to see.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the rest of the spark plugs off just to see how, if any of the other ones are like that. Hopefully not, but we'll see if any of the other ones are like that or not. So let's get to that. We got the first attempt at cranking it. We took the spark plugs out because they look like dookie. Go ahead.
Like that? Turning over.
Yeah? Come look at it though. We'll keep you updated. Just gonna look in here right quick. We put the spark plugs in there. We can definitely see the pistons busted, but we're gonna try to start it anyways. Screw it. Oh. Oh.
Get that starter fluid. I need you to crank it. You got it? We're gonna
hit it. Let's go.
Hit it with some E85. Go ahead. Put it down, put it down.
It's still on fire, it's still on fire. Lift it back up. Look. You got water?
No. It's good. It's good. Well, it's out. I gotta put it out.
Put this shit on here.
I hope we caught that on the camera.
I don't even know how to connect this bitch onto the fucking. I think I grabbed the wrong half.
Good thing you're not a firefighter, bro. Woo, that thing was hot.
Let me call my insurance company and put insurance on it first.
Well, it's got spark. It's definitely got spark, boys.
Is water coming out over there?
Yeah, just leave it on and then try it again. Bring it over here, though. Alright, take two. Still rolling? Dude, that was a big fire, dude. Burn my fingers, like, you know.
All right, take two. The first one, it was a little lit.
A little less spray this time.
All right, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Hold the gas wide open.
Okay. Nose. Keep going.
Don't get in the motor.
Yeah, I don't even fucking care. That shit was like down there, was on fire. Alright, I think we're done with this. No more starter fluid.
No, just one more.
No more. Alright, so the fire department, at least the windshield wipers work, but we're not gonna do that no more because I think we're either using the starter fluid wrong or something's not working right. All right.
Sounds good, man. It sounds like it's got compression in the two cylinders and the other two cylinders don't have compression.
Until they fucking caught fire. What is up? So me and Sean ended up taking off the valve cover here, and I'm gonna show you, hopefully you could see that, but this should definitely not look like this. See if you can see in there. But let me see. Trying to set the light down. You see that? That's the valve. It should not be like that. So definitely, I'm pretty sure these two pistons or these two cylinders are fucked. So looks like we're gonna keep taking it apart to see how bad the damage is, to see if this motor is worth like saving, just if I want to restore the car, or if I want to keep it. The drift build project, we'll see. Not really trying to ruin this car with drifting it and, you know, messing it all up, but we'll see where it goes. I got a few options on the table. You gotta stick around and you'll see, but hopefully we can get everything sorted with this and it won't take too long. But thank you guys already know what to do. See you guys next week. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. Out of here.
Yeah, feel me. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.